Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas, which you'll mash well. Then, in a large bowl, combine your mashed bananas with 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of milk. Whisk these wet ingredients together until they are well combined and smooth. Next, in a separate bowl, let's prepare our dry ingredients. Whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now, gently fold in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Once your dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed, gradually add them to your wet ingredients, stirring just until combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. Now, let's get ready to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and make sure to grease and flour it thoroughly to prevent sticking. This step is crucial for easy removal. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Ensure the top is relatively smooth for consistent baking. Place your pan in the preheated oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, carefully transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps it set properly. Slice and enjoy your homemade, delicious banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.